How does Jurgen Habermas define the public sphere? Imagine a place where everyday people gather to talk about issues that matter to everyone. This is not a government office or a business meeting. It is a space where citizens can speak freely and share ideas. Jurgen Habermas, a famous sociologist, called this the public sphere. He saw it as a vital part of democracy. Habermas believed the public sphere is a social space outside of the government and the economy. It is where private individuals come together to discuss politics, society, and culture. These discussions are based on reason and argument, not force or money. The goal is to reach understanding or form opinions that can influence how the government acts. He said that everyone should have equal access to this space. No one should be excluded because of their social class, wealth, or background. People can meet in places like cafes, community centers, or through newspapers and later on, the internet. These are all ways to participate in open debate. Habermas also pointed out that the public sphere acts as a mediator between society and the state. It helps control political power by allowing citizens to criticize government actions. If the public sphere works well, it can prevent leaders from abusing their power. It makes sure that government decisions are based on public opinion and rational discussion. He distinguished the public sphere from the life world, which is everyday social life, and from the system, which includes the market economy and government bureaucracy. The public sphere is where social life and political life meet. But Habermas warned that mass media and commercial interests can sometimes distort this space. When that happens, real public debate can be limited or manipulated. In practice, the public sphere includes things like free press, civil society organizations, and public meetings. These are all ways people can voice their opinions and participate in democracy. When the public sphere functions properly, it helps keep political power in check and makes sure leaders listen to the people. To sum up, Habermas saw the public sphere as a space for rational debate, open to all, that connects society with governance. It is essential for democracy because it allows citizens to shape public opinion and hold leaders accountable. This space is where social structures and power relations are tested and challenged through conversation and shared understanding.